So hello everyone, this is the assembly drawing of the shock absorber in Solidworks. Here you can see there are the four parts: 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are the four parts: that is the base, that is the top rod, that is the nut, and that is the spring. This is the shock absorber. In this video we are just learn how to assemble these four parts. In the previous video we have just learned that how to make these four parts. Please watch the video in the description and in my channel videos. Please watch that videos also. Then you have to just come here just to assemble the four parts, and the next upcoming time I'll just tell you how to assemble these four parts. Then please stay tuned. I'm just end of it and make the SolidWorks again. I'm just open the SolidWorks again. Please wait, it takes some time. And here the SolidWorks has been open. Go for the part. Oh sorry, I've just go for the not part. Go for the new, then go for the assembly. Okay, you have to go for the assembly drawing. Then you have to just browse. There are the four parts. I would prefer the first this part, the base part. Okay, just it has insert here. Then you have to just change the unit system, and I made the plain white. Then this is also the realistic view. I'm just on the realistic view. Okay, you can see here. If you just make the plain white off, you can just make the plain white off. Okay, why it is not off? This is the plain white. Now I have just to go for the insert, browse the second part. What is the second part? The second part is this part. Okay, now this is the two parts here. Okay, just zoom it out, you can see that. Okay, now make it float, that is fixed, make it float. Okay, now you have to just go for the mate, select this and the inside hole, and click here concentric, and you can see that this became the concentric. Okay, now you have just go for the another insert component and go for the browse. Then you have to just uh, this what is this insert this spring also. Then you have just make one thing, that here please on the temporary axis. Okay, this you can see this is temporary axis, and for this you have to just click here, then go for the these internal parts, then go for the sweep, then go for this sketch on, and you can find this line and this line. Then go for the mate option, select this line and this line. Okay, concentric, and you can see this. Now you have to do something, that, go for the mate option, select this and this face, click here. Okay, now you have just take it out. Okay, now you have to just go for the insert component, browse the this part. This is the nut portion. I have to just show how to make the mechanical screw assembly. Okay, now at first you have to go for the mate, then select this line and this line. And this line, why it is on? Because I have on the this temporary axis on. Okay, now when it is go inside, then go for the mate option, then go for the mechanical mates, go for the screw mates. When it comes to then screw mates, then go for this and this nuts, the axis, select this nut axis, then click here. When you have click here, then you have just see that if you make this will rotate. You can just delete this. I am just showing you again because it is the critical thing. Just go for the mate option. Okay, when you go for the mate option, go for the mechanical mate, go for the screw, then select this center line, not this center line, this is the this center line. What is the center line? Please wait. This center line, this. Okay, now this center line and this center line. Then distance per revolution became 1 and click here. When you have click here, when you just make it rotate, just click here. When you have just rotate, you can see that the screw have gone inside. Okay, if you just go for the mate and just click here and click here and make it coincide, this will be fixed. Then if you go for the exit temporary axis and just hide this axis, you can just see that this screw became rotate and that goes inside. In this way you can simply assemble the simple shock absorber here. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please join my Telegram group, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. The links are in the description below. Subscribe this channel for latest more updated videos. Thank you.